Hi guys, it's Charles here with Charles Harrison Music. Another legato line for you today. This one is based on chromatically ascending triads. So today's lick's in the key of A major. You could use this on an A major chord, you could use this on an A7 chord. It resolves to the note A, so you could use this on an E7 chord, resolving to the key chord, or you could use this on an E7 chord, resolving to F sharp minor. As always, the world is our oyster. Okay, so this is pretty tricky under the fingers, this one. It's not very guitar friendly, but all we're doing really is ascending through this shape here, which you may all know. So that's the shape that this is based on, this bar chord shape. However, every 3 notes we're sliding up a semitone. And then just to make this easier, I've changed the fingers. Got like that. So a little descending phrase there, just a little pentatonic line. So see how you get on with that one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. As always, the notation and tab can be found on my blog, and you'll find plenty of similar videos in the playlist. And I'd really appreciate the like and subscribe, as always, guys. So look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers.